feel, but I want more than only memories. The human touch to make them real. Another day, another dream. Over the bridge, an empty scene. We'd spend the weekend last in bed and float upstream. I don't know why we moved away, lost in the here and now we stray into a New York zone. Our promise was betrayed. I was there, caught on 10th Avenue, you elsewhere with compensated blues. Then and there, I knew that I'd lost you. What is left of love? Tell me who will even care? So much time has passed, I still meet you anywhere. Water under bridge, evening after day. What is left of love here that didn't drift away? Don't give me all your love and pain. Don't sell me New York in the rain. Let's leave our promises behind. Rewind and try again. What remains in time that didn't fade away? Sometimes I need to see the way it used to be.